heading to the meeting point to meet the informant. Our first meeting with the informant.
Salah satu juga maksudnya itu yang bilang tadi toh nenek, artinya mengingat itu bisa dimanifestasikan menjadi karya-karya seni. Itu makanya ada teman-teman Lentera mengangkat nilai-nilai dari tombol pau untuk dipentaskan. Salah satunya untuk mengingat itu semua bahwa ada di tombol pau yang seperti itu. Itu maksudnya, tapi susah dibahasakan beliau.
Interview in progress.
Bukan suatu budaya, tapi sebuah kata yang kita kemudian maknai sebagai kata hilang. Jadi sajang itu hilang atau lenyap. Kadang itu kita dengar sajang, misal sajang dari kuburannya, dia menghilang dari kuburannya. Nah, kenapa kita ambil kata sajang ini dalam pentas tersebut? Karena kita tahu sekarang bahwa sudah banyak budaya-budaya yang hilang. Itu makna kata sajang itu sendiri. Bukan budaya, tapi suatu makna kata. Yang artinya hilang. Budaya.
Itu tahun sabar, itu tahun sabar, teminangka kulolong alaria seni DC.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are Group 4 from the Anthropolinguistic course.
In this mini research project, we conducted field work in Tombolopao Goa to understand how the community preserved the Konjo Pegunungan language and how the Sajang performs function as a cultural reminder for the younger generation. Our project is titled Reviving Local Identity Through Language and Performance, an anthropolinguistic exploration of Tombolopao culture.
Key finding 1. Language as identity. One of our main findings is that Konjo Pegunungan remains actively used in daily communication in Tombolopao. Even though the village is surrounded by Makassar-speaking and Sinjai-speaking communities, the people of Tombolopao continue to speak Konjo Pegunungan across generations. During our interview, Idul Azhar, one of our informants stated that Konjo here is still very strong and remains a key marker of identity. We also learned that Konjo Pegunungan has a softer intonation compared to Konjo Pesisir. This difference is not only linguistic, but it also signals identity and belonging. So in this case, language does not just function to communicate. It expresses who they are as a maintained community.
Key finding 2. Cultural value in daily life. Our second finding relates to cultural value that are embedded in language and daily practice. We observe that the concept of asajo, meaning of collective work such as cleaning and engaging together, is still actively practiced. There is also a sankey, which refers to calling others to help during harvesting. This practice reflects cultural values such as sipakatao, treating others with humanity, sipakainga, reminding one another, sirinapache, dignity, and emotional solidarity. Through the heinous ethnography of communication, we see that language, behavior, and value are inseparable in this community. The Konjo Pegunungan language carries moral and social meaning, and that meaning is reinforced through daily interaction.
Key finding 3. Sajang as cultural reminder. The Sajang performance created by Komunitas Lentera Tamona in 2021 is not a traditional ritual. The word Sajang itself means lost or disappeared. The performance was designed to remind the community that some cultural values are slowly fading. As explained by Lulu, our informant, Sajang is not a culture. Sajang means lost. We use it to remind that many values are disappearing. Although the performance mostly used Indonesian, certain Konjo words were intentionally inserted, such as sipakatau, sipakainga, tabe, pamoporanga. These words serve as identity marks and emotional cues, so the stage becomes a space of cultural memory, where values are remembered and reactivated, especially for young audiences.
Group reflection. From this research, we learned that cultural preservation is not always about recreating tradition exactly as they once were. Instead, it can happen through everyday language arts and through creative performance that keeps cultural messages alive. However, we also show challenges, especially less interaction between youth and cultural elders, distraction from social media, and the disbanding of Lentera Tamaona after their leader passed away. Despite these challenges, the people of Tombolopao continue to remember who they are through speech and shared values. So for us, this research is a reminder that to keep culture alive, we must continue speaking it, practicing it, and passing it forward.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.